The 1989 Campeonato Brasileiro Série was the 33rd edition of the Campeonato Brasileiro Série A. The competition was won by Vasco da Gama. Format: First stage. The 22 clubs were divided in two groups of 11 teams, each playing against the other teams of the respective groups once. The 8 best-placed teams of each group qualified to the second stage, while the 3 last-placed teams of each group competed in the relegation tournament. Second stage. The 16 qualified clubs were divided in two groups of 8 teams each, playing once against the other group teams. The points of this stage and of the first stage were summed. The champion of each group qualified to the final relegation tournament. The 6 clubs eliminated in the first stage played against each other twice. The 4 last-placed teams were relegated to the following year's Serie B final. It was played between the champions of the 2 second-stage groups. The 2 clubs played a maximum of 2 matches, but the club with the best performance in the competition had the option to choose where the first match would be played, and also need only 2 points to be declared as the competition champions. Standings: First stage, second stage, relegation tournament final standings. Coritiba forfeited the match against Santos, thus was punished with a 1-0 defeat, plus the loss of 5 points and the elimination of the competition. Due to Coritiba's elimination, only 5 clubs competed in the relegation tournament, being relegated Atletico PR, Guarani and Sport. According to the league rules, the last club's standings only take in consideration this tournament results, but the points listed in the standings also include the first stage. The final: São Paulo, Gilmar, Netinho, Adilson, Ricardo Rocha and Nelsinho, Flavio, Bobo and Ray, Mario Tilico, and Edivaldo. Head coach: Carlos Alberto Silva. The Vasco: Acacio, Luiz Carlos Wink, Quinones, Marco Aurelio and Mazinho, Zedillo de Carmo, Marco Antonio Boyadero and Bismarck, Cerato, Bebeto and William. Head coach: Nelsinho Rosa. The second leg of the final was not played as Vasco had a better season record and won the first leg.